Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. A 2 by 2. So let's get started. So let's shuffle this cube first. After shuffling it, so let's start solving it. First we can take any place where yellow color is. Like here's this yellow, so just take this, put it on the bottom. Put this side on the bottom. And I told you a formula in my other video, I should tell you again. Move the right side on top, top side left, right side down, top side right. That was the formula. So where the this yellow is, I have to insert it down here. So I'll just do the formula 2 or 3 times. That time it inserts. It inserted. But first there's a problem here. We inserted this. You would be able to see that this yellow piece has a blue and red with it here. So it should be a blue and another color. But here with this yellow, there's a green and a red. So we don't want that. So we'll check another yellow piece which has blue in it. So here's a yellow thing which has orange and blue. So we'll insert that by doing my formula 2 or 3 times. Right side top, top side left, right side down, top side right. So I'll keep on doing that. It will insert. So it's inserted here. Yellow, these two yellows are done, and blue is also there here. Orange here, red here. Orange here means red here. So like that we have to solve all the other colors. So here, since there's an orange, we need an orange piece, orange corner it should have yellow and orange in it. Let's search for that. Here we got the corner. It is yellow, it's green and orange. So we do my formula 2 or 3 times. So how many ever times you do it, just keep on doing it till that time it inserts in. And then last one is, it should be here, there's a red here and here there's a green here. So here in between you have to put a green here and a red here. So last one is left, you have to bring it in front of that, like for all. Whether it should be on that or anyway here. And then do my formula again and again. So I did that, I inserted it. Yellow is totally solved. Red is like this, green like this, orange like this, and blue like this. So first step is done. Now let's move on this second step. Actually 2 by 2s are easier than 3 by 3s. And then now the next step is we have to take the match the corners with it. So suppose here there's an orange and a green, this corner. So there should be a corner which has orange and green in it. It has white, that you can leave. It will have white always, because the white is the color that should be on top. Here you can see orange that matches with this orange also. It shouldn't be like it should be on top of that. It should be in that corner area. So there's an orange also here, green also here in that corner. So that's the thing. This corner is correct because it has orange and green in the place. Other corner, it's red and green here. It has red and blue here, so it's wrong. This is red and blue here. This is red and green here. That's wrong. This is blue and orange here. This is blue and orange here. This is correct. So the one with red and green and red and blue, these two are wrong. So since these two are wrong, let's take the red and green part, since it's on the left side. Here's the blue part, here's the green part. Since the green part is on the left side, you keep the green facing towards you. And then do my formula 3 times for the formula I told you. Right top, top left, right down, top right. one more time, and one more time. So you would be seeing that this yellow has come up here. Then move back where the red was towards the right. Then there's another formula. The formula is move the left side on top, top side right, left side down, top side to the left. Do that 2 times more. So this inserted again. So yellow is still there. And here's green, here's red. This is red and green corner. Here's blue, here's red. This is, so yeah, that is. Then here's blue, here's orange. It's correct here. Here's the green and orange. It's correct. Red and green, correct. So all corners are correct. After you get the corners correct like that, then the face that is on top, put that facing towards you. Yeah, put it up. Put that top part where the white was below. And then here you can see that 2 whites are already there. Like that you will be able to see, like there's a white corner, it's like here itself. So do my first formula, right side on top, that formula. Do it till that time it doesn't come inside. When it comes inside, the row that it inserted, move that, don't move the top piece or turn. Move that towards the left and you'll get the other white here, that's last white. Do the first formula I told you again. It'll come here and it's solved. Sometimes if you do that, it will come like this, some things like this and all. That you'll anyways know. Just you can just move this here and solve this. Yeah, so this is how to solve a 2 by 2. So thank you. Please subscribe, like and press the notification bell. So when I post videos, you can get it notification. Bye bye. See you in my next video.